Oh yeah. Did I order one of these on eBay and one on Amazon? I don't know which one's which, but I had canceled one because it was gonna take like a month or two. But they will come in here like a week, so I don't know. So which one should we put on? Damn.
I got a cut.
You look clean or what? Sheesh.
But I mean, it doesn't look kind of awkward because you don't have the tail lights kind of tinted, you know?
But it'll match more, huh, with the clear?
It would look nice on it.
Yeah. Thanks, man, for your input. So if y'all want this one, tap in. The reflector slash brake light is gonna be held on just right here with this clip, and then 2 screws. There's 2 more, and then here's the brake light. I think 3 more clips.
Panel right here, I just popped it off. It's just held in like that. Okay, and then we're gonna have the 2 10 mils, and it'll probably just undo through that. Okay, so there's gonna be a little rubber grommet right here.
Yeah, you gotta say it. You gotta say it.
A little tapon. I'm gonna remove that. See that little arrow? We're just gonna drill straight through.
The 2 clips.
6 minutes.
Trust.
One ear out the other.
Are you ready?
I'm been ready. I'm born ready.
Because my dad said he was coming to the house to get me. He didn't show up. Valuable lesson, man. I had to grow up. There we go. Easily. Only rapper sold more dope than me is Eazy-E.
What is that?
Your arch nemesis. There.
Nick Mill?
Pusha T.
Is that a world sport or a drill sport?
You don't gotta say trust, nigga. The first time. How does it go?
You gotta say it louder.
I hella fucked up. Is it gonna reach? What are you doing?
I'm hella laughing. I'm dead.
It's not gonna reach.
I'm dead. I'm asleep.
Guys, I'm sorry. I peeled it off without recording. I'm a horrible person. I'm a piece of shit. Dude, that shit looks hella gay.
Looks like a chipmunk.
I got the tail light out. It was just 2 10s and then 1 7mm right here. I believe it's right there. And then I stripped down these wires. I'm gonna just splice them, and then there you go. Should connect to the tail light and make it light up. And yeah, it's pretty simple, but instructions are right here. Red wire, green wire, white wire, black wire. Yeah.
Yeah, try it. So we can't put it into reverse. Oh, it doesn't do nothing. No. Why? It just lights up.
No white?
No. Reverse? Oh, you are. Press the brake. Yeah, it doesn't do nothing. The center doesn't light up at all.
Alright, so we think he wired it to the blinker. Yeah? Bro. So, if you guys are coming to this channel to figure out how to put on a brake light, I'm sorry we can't help you because we fucked up. So just to recap, guys, all the colors go together. Green to green, black to black, red to red. Except for white on the brake light goes to orange on the tail light. And yeah, everything should be working fine after that. Alright, so the wires are switched. White from the brake light to orange on the tail light. And yeah, let's test it out. Most people won't have a wire down there, they'll just have the reflector. So you'd have to do what we did, was just drill through the bottom right here, and then run the wire through here, and then through a hole that we drilled, and then to the tail light. So this is the paint that I went with. I used it on my G35 and I like this, so yeah, gloss black. Let's get it. Once you go black, never go back. So it's like 5 in the morning right now. I'm tired as fuck. But yeah, guys, here it is. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. And turn on, I'll click. Oh, that looks fucking sick. So yep, guys, there it is. Oh my god. So yep, here it is. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it better silver, stock, or black? Yeah. comment down below what you guys want to see next, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.